Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you enjoyed that 5-minute video of how I put the van together. Did it back in 2021. Took me 11 months, mainly at the weekend, sometimes a bit in the week, but all depending on the weather. Some days, I gotta be honest, it was too cold, and other weekends I just had too much on, so I didn't get to do it. So probably could have been reduced down to a 3-4 month build, but it was fun doing it at times. The worst part for me was the carpeting. I would say to anyone thinking about doing it, if you've got the money, go and get it carpeted, because that took me 3 days, and I know it shouldn't have done, and a lot of stress, if I'm being honest, so I wouldn't want to do that again. At the time of taking the photos, there was never any intention of making any sort of YouTube video or anything like that, so it was literally capturing the moment as I did bits and bobs over the 11 months of building it. I hope you got some sort of idea as to how I did it. I'd followed somebody on YouTube doing it, a channel called Valley Campers. I'll leave a link down below for their channel. Really helpful, really informative, and took you through a campervan build step by step, if I'm being honest. And I managed to do it, and it was my first one, and I'm a novice. Nothing's fell apart so far, so we're all good on that one. Going forward for the channel in the next few weeks, I finish for Christmas, luckily enough, Wednesday, so I will be getting out and about. I've got time to go and film some videos. I'm hoping to upload 2 to 3 videos, bolster the channel a bit more, and one of those will be an overnight camp for the first time for myself, solo, so we'll give that a go. I think I've got a location, and I know what the other 2 videos will be. So hopefully, guys, I'll be able to upload some videos for you before Christmas, and then maybe one in between. So please, if you will, like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and keep following the channel if you would, please. It all helps, and let's grow this channel. Thank you. Cheers!